In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue of Facebook automatically following random accounts or liking posts without your permission. If your Facebook seems to be acting on its own, it's likely due to unauthorized access, so let's secure your account. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Then click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now head over to the account center. Now click on the option Password and Security. Tap on the option Two-Factor Authentication. Choose the method you prefer, such as authentication app, SMS, or WhatsApp, and enable it to add an extra security layer. Then return to Password and Security. Now click on the option where you are logged in. Review the list of devices logged into your account. Log out of every session except the device you are currently using. Finally, make sure to change your password to something strong and unique. Enabling two-factor authentication and removing unknown logins will help prevent unauthorized activity and stop your account from following random people. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.